everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing and setup of this incredibly large Lumify DualWhite Solar USB Reindeer for Christmas. Let's get started. The small reindeer is 62 centimetres high and almost 40 centimetres long. This larger reindeer is 1 metre high and almost 60 centimetres long. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. This reindeer is absolutely ginormous. That being said, it can still run for up to 5 days on one USB charge alone. It has an 8-hour auto switch off timer. It has dual white LEDs, which means that the colour changes from a cool white to a warm white or a combination of the two. There's actually no need for it to run off of mains at all. As long as you keep the solar panel charged in the sun, it works completely off of solar energy. Let's set it up. So you undo the wire, and then it's just a matter of slotting the antler into this tiny space here. Let's connect the solar panel. So everything else in the large box comes in this small box. We have the instructions, some bolts and stands, and the solar panel. Now the solar panel itself is made of an incredibly high-grade frost-resistant polycrystalline. So it's just a matter of popping this in the sun. So after you've let it charge all day and it starts getting a little bit darker, the solar panel's dusk sensor is going to kick into effect. Let me just make it look like dusk. Now it's time to connect the solar panel to the light. You unscrew the top and turn it on. Now let me explain to you what dual white is. So the Lumify DualWhite LEDs allow this reindeer to operate in warm white, icy cool white, or a combination of them both. And it actually has 4 different lighting modes for each of the 3 colours. This reindeer is incredibly easy to install, and you actually don't need anything that isn't included in the box. There's a 4 years guarantee, there's an on and off switch if you wish to do that, and if not, it will turn on automatically for 8 hours every single night. And the coolest thing about this reindeer is that it has 960 LEDs on it, which means that easily it will be the brightest thing that you have this Christmas. If you like this video or found it helpful in any way at all, please make sure just to give it a thumbs up or write any questions that you might have about this lovely reindeer in the comments down below, just to keep the channel as helpful and as useful as possible. Have a wonderful festive season. I certainly will, and I hope that you do too.